Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the projecting to this PC option is not working or it's not available in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the settings. So we can do that simply by making a tap here in the Windows icon, and then you will get the settings icon here. So just please make a click on that, and then once you do that you will get this all sorts of option here in the left page. So just please go with the apps option, and then we will go with install apps, or in Windows 10 it is apps and features. So for Windows 10, if you scroll down and you will reach the bottom, you'll get an option that says optional features under apps and features. So there you can add a feature. So search in the search tab, you will get there a search tab, and then click on, or just please make sure first that you're connected with the internet, and only then that you can download the feature app. So please go to the search tab and then type wireless display. So that is the feature or the application that we need to download, and then once downloaded, you can now install the application. And once the application or feature is already downloaded and installed, then you can now close this window. And for Windows 11 user, all you need to do is just to go again to this settings window here. So you can also make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then go click on the settings option. So once you click on settings option, you will get the same window. So please go with the left pane, and then there please type apps, or please click on apps. And then here we will be, it's system. So that is for Windows 10, you need to click on apps. For Windows 11 user, you need to go with system option. So once you click on system, here in the right section, please scroll down a little bit, and then we will be looking for projecting to this PC. So permissions, pairing, pin, and discoverability. So once you click on this projecting to this PC option, you will get this window here. Project your Windows Phone or PC to this screen and use its keyboard, so mouse and other devices too. So to add the wireless display, all you need to do is just to click on this optional features here. And then once you do that, you will get this add an optional feature and optional features history. So we will be clicking on the view features option here in the right section. And then here in this window, all you need to do is just to type wireless. So once you type on wire, you will get this wireless display search result, and then just make a check or select this box here, and then you can now click on next. And then just please make sure again that you're connected with the internet so that you can add or install this feature. And then once it is already added, then you can now use the wireless display, and you can now project to this PC. Okay, so that's it. That's how you're gonna fix the problem, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.